Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Honorable Mr. Bolin Chetia, Mr. Kim Jang-byung, esteemed representative of Assam delegation and FICCI, distinguished guests from Korean industry, members of ICCK and attendees. It's my pleasure and honor to host you today for this Assam 2.0 Investment and Infrastructure Summit. I am Anil Sinha and I work as Chief Operating Officer for Tata Mobility, which is a 100% subsidiary of Tata Motors. I am based in Bunsan and I have been in Korea for more than 5 years now, and it's my pleasure to be here today. I am also a past chairman of Indian Chamber of Commerce in Korea, and the current chairman, Mr. Ramesh Iyer, have not been able to make it for this opening meeting because he is traveling to India. First, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the government of Assam and the organizers for bringing the remarkable event to Korea. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of key dignitaries, business leaders and officials. Your presence signifies that we are going to have a very long-lasting bond between the two economies of the world, India and Korea. At the Indian Chamber of Commerce in Korea, our mission has been to build a good platform which bridges the business and economic development for India and Korea. Over the years, we have witnessed growing collaboration in various sectors, and today's event is a testament to the tremendous potential that Assam holds for the Korean business houses. Assam, we all know, is a land rich in natural resources and cultural heritage. With a strategic location as a gateway to Southeast Asia, Assam offers unique opportunity in key sectors such as tea, tourism, oil and gas, IT, textile and agro-based industries. We believe that Korean companies with their advanced technology and expertise will be able and are well positioned to contribute meaningful to the Assam prosperity and industrial growth. In particular, I would like to draw attention to the 9 critical areas where we see immense potential for collaboration: electronics, infrastructure, electric vehicle and batteries, chemical, food processing, textile, biopharma, biotechnology, smart farms and startups. These sectors are pivotal for driving innovation, creating jobs and fostering sustainable development. We encourage Korean business houses to participate in this growth journey for the state of Assam and prosper together. Furthermore, Assam has made remarkable achievement in terms of ease of doing business. The state has implemented several reforms to simplify procedures and create a more trusted business environment. Significant investment in infrastructure has enabled a smooth flow of goods and services across the state of Assam. I would also like to highlight an inspiring example of collaboration between Assam and ICCK. The Assam Valley School, a premium educational institution in Assam, has successfully implemented AI-driven technology system developed by Tag Hive, a proud member of ICCK. This partnership is a shining example of how technology can transform education and how our member companies are making real impact on the ground. Such initiatives not only enhance learning outcomes but also reflect Assam's progressive approach to adopting cutting-edge technology, and even at the school level at a very basic education level. My opening remarks will not be enough without a special mention to the magnificent personality, our beloved Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. For young or old, male or female, rich or poor, for everyone in Assam, he is Himantoda. He is the elder brother of all the citizens of Assam, and this is the respect he commands, and this is the confidence he has generated among the citizens of Assam. This this setting up a transparent and approachable government, institutionalizing the initiative of ease of doing business in Assam. Assam has emerged as a favorite destination for industry and entrepreneurs under his leadership. Today he is among us to showcase the big leap Assam is taking in under his leadership. I would not take much time, and I would like to once again thank the government of Assam and all the organizers of this event to make this event possible. I encourage all the participants to actively encourage in today's discussion, explore new avenues of collaboration, and seize the opportunities that Assam presents. Together we can forge partnerships that drive economic growth and deepen the long-standing friendship between our two countries. Thank you very much for taking time out of your busy schedule and attending this event. Gamsamnida, thank you very much.